Welcome to How to Wave. Today, we'll show you how to use Gemini AI for writing and research in 2025. Gemini AI can assist in various ways, from generating content to conducting in-depth research. Start by signing into your Google account and accessing the Gemini platform. Once logged in, you'll find options for both writing assistance and research tasks. To use it for writing, simply enter a prompt detailing the topic or idea you want to write about. Gemini AI will generate well-structured text based on your input, which you can use as a foundation for your work. For research, you can ask Gemini AI to gather information, summarize articles, or find sources on a particular subject. The more specific you are in your request, the more accurate and tailored the results will be. You can refine your content or research further by providing additional context or instructions to the AI. Whether you need help drafting articles or gathering references, Gemini AI has you covered. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful